In this video, I will show you how to set up and use the Spacedesk Driver Console to extend or mirror your main display to other devices. It's a simple process, so follow along. First, visit the Spacedesk website. You will need to download drivers, Wear, Android tablet, which you can download from the Play Store, and iOS devices or Mac, which you can download from the App Store. And once installed, open the driver console on your main PC. The first thing you need to do is enable it. Make sure the switch is on. You can also explore optional settings like delay adjustment, personal control preferences, but the most important section is communication interference. So here you can select how your devices will connect. Network connection, like Wi-Fi. Make sure your main PC and the device you want to connect are on the same Wi-Fi network. And if you prefer a wired connection, plug it in your device via USB. Enable or disable the interfaces as needed. Now open the Viewer app on your secondary device. If using Wi-Fi, your main PC should appear in the list. Tap to connect, and if using USB, plug in the cable and tap the USB icon in the app. Once connected, you can change display orientation, switch between mirroring or extending. Press Windows plus P on your PC for more display options. This gives you full control over how your screen interact. So that's it. You know now how to set up the Spacedesk to extend or mirror your display to other devices. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.